Welcome to BizQuery AI. To get started, simply drag and drop your data files, CSVs, Excel, or JSON, into your secure dashboard. Whether it's one file or 10, BizQuery handles the heavy lifting. As soon as you upload, our AI brain scans your data. It automatically identifies dates, categories, and metrics. It even figures out how to join different files together based on common fields, so you don't have to. Now for the magic. Don't worry about SQL or formulas. Just ask a question in plain English. BizQuery translates your words into data logic instantly. In seconds, you have your answer. Download the results in different formats. And create different types of charts on the fly. Data analysis is finally as easy as sending a text. Instant insights, correct joins, no code required. It's not just data, it's the answer. BizQuery AI. Join the data revolution. Try your first 2 files for free.